These ones are running around for children. This rain will not stop me. I know. This is Sugar Camel. You know, I came to buy some things, but I love the display of this young girls' outfits. All these are jewelries. Everything here is so beautiful, well arranged, as you can see. You know, look at the eyeglasses. Look at it. Everything is so beautiful. A good place to shop. Just look at. When you see things like this, you feel like buying jewelry. Look at it. In a Sugar Camel market owned by a young girl. Everything well arranged. You know, it's so very good, as you can see. There's no how I'll leave here without buying at least one earring. Yeah. Look at everything. I hope this hey friends, anything for you. Someone is already shopping. First, like I told you that I'm going to patronize. I look at the one I bought. I know it's very good, very good area. I like round area, as you can see. I'm still in the shop. Yes, sir. You know, it's weekend in Israel. This is the only time we'll go out to shop. So I should come and I'll still show you a lot of other things. Yes, friends, yeah. I hope this will not copyright. That is you see in Sugar Camel, beautiful artwork. Someone did all this, as you can see. These are very beautiful. Elephant and all manner of animal here in Sugar Camel, Israel. Today people come out. Some people don't even come to buy. They sit down and listen to music. You know, it's so good. So it's Africans here. They're making fruits of all kind. Where in Africa? I'm from Biafra land. You know Biafra? Mombasa. Biafra. Not Biafra is before in Nigeria, but looking for independence now. In Nigeria? Yeah, but now we want independence. So which milk? Come for vacation? Yes, can. Yeah. How many time? Little time. Yes. You come back now? Yeah, I'm going to the market to look around. Yes, maybe. One is with umbrella. It's actually raining today. It's a rainy day, and it's also a winter period in Israel. So this is a famous market. People like to come here to buy things. You know. Beautiful tights, joggers, this Sugar Camel, umbrella everywhere. These people are making fruit juice. Look at the display of this pomegranate, that orange. Look at it. Just pay and a cup will be blended for you. Because it's here in Israel. This is Sugar Camel.
Banana, mango, banana,
Sight, it's really beautiful here. You know, you can't believe that these are fruits. Yeah. Israel is home of fruit. There's nothing they don't do with fruits here. Look at this. This is edible. There's nothing they don't do with fruits. Look at the already blended ones. It's so beautiful, isn't it, guys? Look at some of them hanging. You know, pomegranate is in season. So it's raining though, but I'm still in Sugar Camel. As you can see, I'm hiding my telephone from the rain. It's so funny. Yeah. Show you anything that is beautiful. Look at this thing. Very beautiful display. Look at it. So beautiful. See. Beautiful. Sellers are making a deal. It's their day. It's raining. And all these are nuts. Beautiful nuts. Strawberries. You know, Israel is, look at this little African boy selling. Wow, wow, wow. Sugar Camel is one busy market that people like to come to. As me, it's not raining now. You see massive people. You know, some people don't come to buy, they just come and sit down, you know. People are buying though. Look at all manner of vegetables in Israel. All manner of vegetables. May God save my telephone. All these are edible. What's some more about your man here? So that is it. So let me show you. Oh. See your famous cauliflower, artichoke, your broccoli, and then corn. Yeah, everything is there. Everything is there. So you can see, guys, it's raining cats and dogs in Israel here. So the rain did not allow me to finish the vlog. So I'm going to show what I have. It's raining seriously. I'm dodging my head and the telephone also. I don't know. Just yesterday has been rain. Rain, pattering down, falling on the mountain, falling on the trees. It is it is good for the crops. So my mama say, but we cannot play out on a rainy day. Rain, go away, come again another day. Choose our joy, want to go home. Rain, pattering down, falling on the mountain, falling on the trees. It is good for the crops. So my mama say, but we cannot play out on a rainy day. It's raining, it's falling, the old man is snoring. But now, Bumpy said, I can wake up. I've forgotten this one. Woo, it's actually running on my telephone now. Wow. Okay, guys, you see, waiting for my bus to run home, you know. I have the kind of, all these little umbrellas. The rain will just, the breeze will just pieces it. You see, what a good day for vlog, you see? Out here in the rain, just for you guys. See. Everybody's dodging. See, there's a lot of people here. Okay, cover my hair because it's winter and it's no longer everybody's dodging for the rain. Look at people. Look at everybody here. You know? Okay, guys. Surely. Look at the shop. This is where we are. People are still busy shopping, you know. And I tell you, friends, rain is not too fine here because all the roads somehow. Okay, guys, I remember this song. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head and couldn't wake up in the morning. You know, the old man is sleeping, you know, fell down and he couldn't wake up in the morning. This is not my autobus. I'm still waiting for bus number 17.
יאללה, שיגיע לבאר שבע. מה זה הדבר הזה? הדרום הזה, יש הדבר הזה. מה זה, בועד רוטר?